Hello my beautiful viewers all over the world, welcome to Online Money Hunter. Welcome back to Online Money Hunter. And my name still remains the Koya Karafe, the dude I left on to feed home. Okay, welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, based on your time zone. Okay, welcome. Okay, in today's video I will be teaching you how you can withdraw at Owodaily. Okay, I'll teach you how you can withdraw if you have made that cash and you want to withdraw. Okay, just know that this video will solve your problem. Okay, let's go to my browser, show you step by step how you can withdraw your money. And before you can withdraw, make sure you have the minimum of 5,000 naira. Okay, let's go to my browser. Okay, here login. Let me log in. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, do yourself good by doing that. Just smash that subscription button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And being the first person to watch will make you be the first person to make money with these ideas. Okay, so make sure you subscribe and always comment and tell me what you want me to do and how you want me to do it. Okay, just let us win together. Okay, let us win together. All right, I'm here already. Okay, most money I make is offline because the client, the only thing I do here is just I come here to upload some works, and after completion of the work, my client pay me. Okay, that's how I work here. But I just decide to do some task here, okay, for you to see that you can also make real money here. Okay, I do some task and it's just a week and I have 11,300 naira just a week, and I don't even do this every day. Okay, I don't even do it every day and I have 11,300 naira. Okay, that's when I said that I made up to 500,000 plus with this website. Don't think that I'm lying, because the only thing we do here is that we teach you everything you need to do. Okay, you will think that 15 naira, 20 naira, 10 naira is small money. It's a lot of money. Okay, just keep hustling. Okay, but the only thing I always teach my students is that you must upgrade to Owodaily Plus. That's where things happen. That's where you can employ people like this. Can you see it? That's when you can employ people like this. So make sure you upgrade to Owodaily Plus. If you want to register to Owodaily, just look for the link below in the description. Just use the link to register and we win together. Okay, let me do some withdrawal. If you want to withdraw your money, all you need to do is just to go to wallet. Okay, once you go to wallet, you can see the two options, deposit or withdrawal. Okay, let me withdraw. Okay, your account balance is 11,300 naira. Okay, and minimum of withdrawal is just 5,000 naira. Withdrawal fee is 5%. Okay, so let me request. Okay, let me see. Okay, here your withdrawal will be proceed on Friday. Do you wish to proceed? Yes. Please make sure you smash that subscription button so that whenever I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to. Okay. All right. I have withdrawal. I have done the withdrawal. So let me wait till Friday. Okay, that's 18th. Withdrawal will begin to be proceed on Friday. Okay, Friday 18th. That's when I should expect my money. Okay, some people will be asking, you didn't put your account number here. Okay, reason is because I did everything when I was registering this account. Okay, so they will pay me automatically. The only thing I need to is on Friday I will get my money to my account. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed, please do yourself good to subscribe, because in this channel what I teach you is how to make money online. Okay, so make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload video like this, you will be the first person to watch. Okay, so thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, the money that I will be expecting is 10,735 naira. Okay, that's the money I will be expecting, and the remain. Okay, this is 565 naira. That's the fee. Okay, so I will be expecting the money by Friday. That's on Friday. Okay, so thank you, thank you, thank you for your time. Please subscribe. Oh, subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. All right.